Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachna here and today's video is all about looking presentable for your Zoom calls. I know a lot of you all are attending Zoom calls and meetings and whatnot during this lockdown period, so I thought I'll give you some few easy tips to look presentable. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. The first step to any makeup is obviously a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice, but it's very important to apply a moisturizer. Don't ever skip this step. All the products that I use in this video are mentioned in the description box, so do check it out. And yes, give it as much time as it needs because it has to set into your skin. The next thing is a concealer. So I am not a big fan of foundations on a day when I'm in the house. So I try to cover up all my dark spots, my under eyes, everything by using a concealer. I don't want a heavy makeup on my face, and I'm pretty sure all the girls relate with me on this thing. So I cover it as much as I can. I have a lot of blemishes and dark spots on my face, which I want to keep it natural because nobody is perfect. So I'm covering up all the blemishes as much as I can, and if I'm not, then I'm fine with it. So yes, and I'm not gonna be applying a foundation today. I'll try to like cover up my entire face only with the concealer. So to spread all the concealer evenly, I'm using a beauty blender. It's totally up to y'all if you want to use a beauty blender or a brush, but always remember to damp your beauty blender before applying it on your face. Just be very gentle under your eyes because your under eyes and your eye part is very delicate. You don't want to be in a hurry to just go and attend your Zoom calls, and I feel that whenever you're applying makeup, even if it's for 5 minutes or like an hour or anything, you have to work on it. Like, you cannot be like, oh, it's just a Zoom call, I can mess around with my face and apply the foundation or your concealer however you want and be harsh on your face. No, that's not the way it goes. And if you're not up for spending a lot of time on makeup, then might as well not wear it. So it's the same not wearing your makeup and being harsh on your face. So be very gentle with your face, so especially your under eyes. So this is how I'm just blending in everything. The next thing you want to do is set all your concealer in place. I'm pretty sure you'll have seen creases on your under eyes, or whenever you apply a concealer, or when you smile you can see those lines. You don't want all those, so you're gonna set everything in place by using a powder. You can totally go in with the loose powder, but today since it's just a Zoom call and I don't want too much on my face, I'm just going in with this compact powder. It's very lightweight. For my eyes, I'm going very light because you don't want to like jazz up your face or your eyes as though you're going out on a party or anything of that sort. You don't want to show you've made a lot of efforts, but also look like little presentable. So I'm going with this brown shade from the nudes palette, the Maybelline nudes palette. Next is my favorite mascara. Mascara just brightens up your eyes like anything. So I'm not going to be applying a kajal or a winged eyeliner, which I usually do, but today I'm just going in with mascara because it's a Zoom call. Come on, like, you don't want to like jazz up so much also. So for the blush today, I'm using a pink lipstick. You can go in with any blush you want to. Blush just, boosts up your face, like you look like you're very energetic, and it just brightens up your face like the mascara brightens up your eyes. The blush just brightens up your face. It makes you look more lively. So this is a pink shade I chose, and you can go in with orange or any shade you would want to go in with. And yes, this is how I'm just gonna use my fingertips to apply it. You can go in with a brush or beauty blender, whatever you choose. A little bit on the cheeks, a little bit on the nose, and wherever you want. So for the lips, I'll be using the same shade that I used on my cheeks. I think I want to keep it very subtle and light. So I'll be going with this light pink. You can totally opt for another darker shade, or it totally depends on you. So now to set everything in place, I'll be using a setting powder again. Or if you're going out, or if it's a more heavy look, obviously you'll be using a setting spray. But then today, just because I'm at home, it's not too much of makeup, I'm using a setting powder just to set everything in place, and so that I don't sweat and make a mess out of my makeup when I'm on a Zoom call. So yeah guys, that's a final look. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, then please recreate this look, and send me your recreation videos or photos on my Instagram handle that's mentioned below. So yeah guys, stay home, stay safe, bye, love you all.